Hello friend, I am Dr. Krishna Chaudhary, cosmetic surgeon, Cosmetic Laser Surgery Center, Prasad Chambers, Karve Road, Pune 4. Here I practice. Friends, you are very soon undergoing buccal fat extraction surgery under local anesthesia. Please treat this video as an instruction manual or guide for your before, during and after surgery instructions. As we have discussed earlier, you were handed over investigation list. Please see that you bring all the investigations in original copy with you when you are visiting clinic for operation. It is essential that all the reports should be with you because I need to check them again, anesthetists need to check them again. So it is better that you have the original copies with you. Early morning, 5 o'clock onwards, please do not eat or drink anything. Come empty stomach, it is better. Although the procedure is under local anesthesia, you will be comfortable. And suppose in case if you have to convert this procedure under general anesthesia, then you will not face any problem like vomiting, nausea after surgery. So please remember that come empty stomach. After 5 o'clock in the morning, do not take any water or eatable medicines. As told you earlier, please start the night before. A tablet antibiotic, broad spectrum antibiotic usually is advised, augmentin, so take one tablet at bedtime with dinner. Morning, please check all your reports as I told you earlier. Also see that your operation fees payment, if it is in cash decided, so see that the whole cash is ready with you. And if you are going to pay by credit card or bank transfer, see the limits, and you have to pay 18% GST if it is by credit card, debit card, bank transfer or Google Pay. Please come in time. If it is you are requested to visit at 10 o'clock, please visit at 10 o'clock, because if you are late by any reason, the whole process gets late. Staff members have to wait, anesthetists have to wait, and unnecessary operation is delayed, and then you will be discharged late. Nowadays in Pune traffic is very heavy, so please start early. Once you visit the clinic, your case paper will be prepared. Again the instructions will be repeated. Photographs whenever required will be taken before surgery, and you will be given your room, and change of clothes will take place. Some tablets may be given to you. Once you are inside operation theatre, some sedation injectable is given, so you will be very much relaxed, and local anesthesia, local nerve block will be given, so the whole area becomes numb for the period of surgery. Once the surgery is over, you will be shifted to room, take rest for 2-3 hours, and when you are confident that you can walk and then you can go home. It is nice that you ask somebody to pick you up and take you to home. Do not use two-wheeler or car. You should not drive yourself, it is very dangerous. So in morning, while coming, ask somebody to drop you, or come by taxi or auto rickshaw. Do not bring any valuables with you. Please keep them at home. While going home, You will be given a discharge summary that what operation was done and what medicines are to be taken. Please preserve this paper. Before reaching home, buy those antibiotic painkillers, because once you go home, your chemist shop may be far off, so it will be difficult for you to again go back. And if you are staying alone, this problem happens. Carry with you some light refreshment, fruit juice, fruits. Slowly, as you feel alright, you can eat a normal diet. First 2 days, it is better you take rest, and then you can start moving around in your flat. Usually, on third day, we call for dressing, so that time will be decided, and accordingly, please visit the clinic. Apart from this, if you have any doubt, questions, please call us 937-350-4565, 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. or real emergency, call me 98-220-58916. And if you are not able to contact us, please leave message on WhatsApp, so we will call you back, we will contact you immediately. Good luck.